Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and I'm here with Yaroslav. And we are going to be just chit-chatting here for a minute. I had a recent client ask me, they've got a SharePoint implementation, and they're wanting to expand their contact management system, or customer relationship management system, and they were looking at their existing infrastructure and investments in SharePoint, wondering if SharePoint was an appropriate place for them to be building out some customer relationship management functionality. And so I brought Yaroslav in here so we could have a little chat about this. We both have some opinions on it. So Yaroslav, in terms of SharePoint and its fit, why don't you just briefly talk about its strengths?
Well, you know, it's a big product, it's a great product, but you know, it tries to solve mostly collaboration and publishing type of scenarios. And going back to your point, obviously it's really easy to get dragged into, there's lots of concepts and constructs in SharePoint, such as lists, documents, document libraries. So it's easy to get dragged into the world of, you know, why don't I build something custom that does my customer management, and etc. But then you sort of realize that, oh wait a minute, it doesn't do that. Well, I guess I can build a workflow that does that. Oh well, the workflow doesn't take me all the way in, so how would I build, you know, now I need developers, and now I need the development team. Oh wait a minute, now I need to QA. And
yeah, so it gets pretty big.
A year later, you're like, oh my, what did I drag myself into?
Right.
Right. So it's important to understand of using the right tool for the right purpose.
Right. Yeah. And so on the converse, so if you were to use, say, Dynamics CRM to build out your customer relationship management solution, obviously out of the box, it's bringing you a lot of customer relationship management tools. It also allows you to build sort of build out relationships using the out-of-the-box configuration tools rather than having to have a developer in there. So it's a little more suited to building out relationships and being able to manage relationships within a system. And I can also say, you know, sometimes I see from the CRM perspective, companies wanting to store a lot of documents in their CRM system. And so that's another, you know, converse example where it's okay to store a few documents in CRM, but if you're starting to use it as your document management system, again, you're not using the right tool for the right purpose. So that's where maybe an integration point.
Yes.
Using both tools for their appropriate skill sets and integrating the two appropriately would be your ideal solution.
Yeah, absolutely. So, for instance, you have your document management in one tool that has an incremental versioning over years, and you get more and more features specific to document management collaboration. You have CRM that has, you know, it's 2011 CRM, right? It's been a while, it's been progressing, so it has more and more features particular to customer management, and integration points between those two.
Yeah, so basically what that would look like is you've got your contact record in CRM, and so there you store all of your structured data, and then you would link into your SharePoint document repository with that for that contact and see all of their unstructured data documents with all the document type workflowy things you guys put on there. So,
anything you want to do.
Okay, so well, thanks for that. You can reach me at Knowledge Tech and Yaroslav.
ShareMatch.com is my blog, and I also work at Knowledge Tech.
Thanks.